Hello guys, it's your boy Alexandrus, and today guys I wanted to talk about the most friendly newbie exchange that there is out there, and it is no other exchange than CoinEx guys. But before we start with this video, as always I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video guys. So they have this exclusive campaign for newbies here, okay? As you can see, 159 USDT grant bonus exclusive for newbies started pretty much just now, and you have to complete some steps to get yourself some vouchers. First of all, you have to complete a sign up to claim your rewards, and you can get 2 USDT cashback voucher. Then complete deposit, you have a 5 USDT cashback voucher, and as you can see, within 15 days of live event, accumulate deposit value of 200 USDT to claim the rewards. And if you do accumulate deposit value of 1000 USDT, you get yourself 3% financial bonus voucher. Then you can also complete a swap to claim rewards. Swap is one of the coolest features for newbies especially that CoinEx has here. And basically what swap does is, as the name says, you can swap your coins or tokens, but the thing with this, as you can see, I was testing this by the way, so I swapped some USDT to CET, and then from CET to USDT, okay? And as you guys can see, the cool thing about it is the fact that this all happens right here instantaneously, okay? So let's say you have some BTC, you want to buy yourself some CET, which by the way has a lot of potential. So this is, you know, this might be a good idea to hold some, okay? Let's say you have 0.02 BTC that you want to pump in towards CET. So you put this number here, you hit the swap button. Obviously this is not gonna allow me to do it now because I don't have enough BTC on my account, but basically what you will do, you just have to confirm it, and you will get yourself this many CET directly to your balance without doing any, you know, complicated trades. Obviously spot trading isn't complicated at all in my opinion, but you know, if you are new to crypto, then you might struggle a little bit. But obviously they have normal spot trading as well. They also have margin trading, as you can see, strategic trading, futures. So they have everything that you want a great exchange to have, okay? Here is, for example, the CET. Obviously you can buy it from your regular sell order, okay? You just hit here, choose how many CET you want to buy, you hit buy CET, okay? Simple as that. But obviously the swap feature is really cool if you are new, or you know, if you basically just want to save some time, okay? Because this is not like strictly if you are new. I also like this feature a lot because it lets you really save a lot of time on your swaps, because, well, you simply click the swap. You can also choose from trendy swaps, which also saves even more time. You have some TRX, you wanna change it to USDT, boom, swap, you already have your USDT, you don't need to go to the spot trading and input all of those numbers, okay? So this is pretty cool, and I can't stress it enough, this exchange is absolutely brilliant if you are new to crypto, okay? Getting back here, you also have complete strategy to claim rewards, and then you can complete your first strategic trading to claim rewards, and you get 5 USDT cashback voucher. So you have your strategic trading here, for example, and you have multiple cool strategies. You have your spot grid, which is, you know, the simple one, sell high and buy low, making profits and fluctuations. And then you also have auto invest plan, which is basically accumulating crypto assets via auto invest strategies. Pretty cool. They also have guides for both of these, so if you wanna learn more about it, if you wanna read and see how it basically works, then you can go ahead and check out those beginner guides as well. You can create yourself a strategy, gotta basically agree to those terms here, and then you choose your time period here, and basically it'll show you the prices and what kind of revenue with grid you are getting. So let's say you want to do the 7-day one with this one, for example, minimum is 511 USDT. The longer you go, the higher it might be, okay? So let's say you want to do 1,000, and then basically out of this 1,000, it will be generating you the revenue, it will be trading for you. Obviously, if you are more advanced, you can use the manual here, and you can set up your lower price and upper price, as well as number of grids that you want this strategy to execute, okay? In advanced section, you can also set your take profit and stop loss, so this is pretty nice. When it comes to auto investing, it is also pretty cool, because you can, for example, choose let's say you want to buy in some BTC bi-weekly, and you can essentially do it, simple as that. And then you can also set this notification when you reach your revenue goal, when you reach your ROI or certain revenue in USDT. Let's say you profit 5k, and this basically will notify you. So that's also really nice, guys. Then you can complete spot trading to claim different rewards, and as you can see, there is multiple rewards here. First of all, complete first spot trading to claim rewards, 5 USDT cashback voucher just for that. And then if you accumulate spot trading value of 2000, you can claim another 10 USDT cashback voucher. Then within 15 days, if you go over 5000 USDT, you can get yourself 5 USDT futures trial fund, which is also cool. And then you have those big rewards here. Just a second for those, okay? So you want to go back to exchange or actually futures, and then you can explore futures market as well. This I would recommend you to, you know, first of all, learn more about it before getting into it, because you can also lose money here quite easily, but you can also make a lot of money here quite easily as well. So this basically sort of depends on your skill level. As you can see, I was testing it with 100x leverage. Didn't end up so well for me, but this is me, and it was basically, you know, just a degen gambling play. So if you are more on the thinking side, if you are a thinking person, then you would probably use first of all a smaller leverage, like 10, maybe 15x or even smaller than that, and do some more research, and then based out of this research you would start using your futures here and trading them. So yes, they have futures, they are pretty easy to navigate as well. You can modify your charts however you want, up to your preference, so it will also help you gain better analysis. You have all those indicators that are valuable here for you, so you can also simply buy your longs and shorts through this little as you can see menu here. So yes, everything is right here on CoinEx, guys. A lot of people are trading, so this is the way to go as well. Getting back to our cool little event here, what there is also is 5 USDT to complete first futures trading. Then if you go over 50,000, you get 20 USDT, and if you go over 200, you get 100 USDT, which those might look like really big numbers, but this is really achievable if you trade futures, let me tell you that. And you can also, during, you know, this time, make yourself a lot of profit, and on top of that get yourself some USDT as well. So that's very cool. What I also wanted to show you is the referral system, which is pretty amazing because you share up to 40% trading fee for a referral reward, okay? And as you can see, guys, you can level up your referrals here. I have my link generated right there. I haven't promoted it yet, so this will be down below in the description of this video, guys. If you want to get started with CoinEx, then you know which link to click, okay? Obviously, support your boy if you like my content. And then it shows you how many referees you have, what kind of trades they have done, your cumulative rewards, rewards from spot, rewards from futures as well. And then you can also give your friends some ref back, okay? So instead of, for example, I have it set to 1.5%, instead of receiving 15%, I will be receiving 13.5%, and you guys will be getting additional 1.5% just from trading from under my link, which is very cool, okay? So this is also something to look out for. And if you will look out for help, they also have a section here. If you go to more, you can check out the section help, as you guys can see, and then here they have a lot of information regarding the platform. So if you need any help, you can first of all search for it here. If it's not here, contact the support, they will be more than happy to assist you and to help you, okay? And then also, guys, last but not least is their blog, where they are posting a lot of information from the life of this exchange and general stuff that you want to read, okay? So basically, if you want to stay up to date with CoinEx, you should be following their blog, okay? So guys, if you are looking for newbie friendly exchange, if you are a newbie, or if you want to enhance your trading experience, then you should definitely be checking out CoinEx. All the links will be down below in the description of this video, as I always do. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, hit that bell so you don't miss my further uploads. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.